Is it now?
Mm-hmm.
Is the timer ticking? You guys ready for your Vism? Your perfect little whitewater rafting adventures? Alright guys, let's do this. Whitewater rafting! Yeah! This water's cold as hell though. Yeah. Alright motherfuckers, here it goes. I'm scared already. We having a good time guys? Yeah. This is our guide Mac, Big Mac in the house. What's up? The whole Big Mac, you know? Looking for what? Uh-oh. This should be very cold right here, bud. They kind of do. Watermelon? Yeah, but I mean, honestly, it's still cold, but it's not as bad as I thought. Look at the waterfall. Check out the waterfall.
Yeah, it's good.
You said it was better in Tennessee?
Well, like the scenic view.
Oh yeah? But check out the little waterfall. Yeah.
It's similar, but like I just like that because of the rocks going up, you know?
This,
like
you said this is better than Tennessee?
like the, yeah, because of the rocks. But I mean, other than that, all the things we get, it's like
Check out the old waterfall.
Alright guys, see how that boat right there is parked on the side?
Yeah.
It's going to be on here in a couple seconds, so what I need you guys to do is follow my stroke command. As I say them, don't stop until I say stop, alright guys?
Okay.
So if I call forward one, you just do one stroke. If I say all forward, you don't stop until I stop, alright? Okay. Forward what? Forward two. Two more.
All right.
That's fine, huh?
Yeah.
You like my parallel parking?
I like that. I like that.
It's like fucking Ace Ventura slide.
Can I go to backwards one?
Oh shit.
Forward one.
Yeah, that water's cold, boy.
Oh, it's gonna happen. We're all bumping into each other all day. Forward one. Forward one.
With the rain, boy. What's up?
Forward one. Forward one. Forward one. See how they all jumped in below that? Yeah. We're all just gonna limbo. Lean back. Forward what? Forward one.
Small barbecue.
Fucking badass.
Forward one. If you look over to the left, there's a castle right there.
Whoa, there's the castle.
Yeah.
That's true.
And there's a squirrel running beside it.
I seen it.
Where's the barbecue coming from?
Uh-oh, here's a drop.
Forward.
Whoa.
Can I get backwards one?
go!
Whoa! That was awesome. Oh, it's raining, guys. Thunder and it's lightning, but we're still having a good time, right?
That's
everyone?
right. Paddling is nature, baby. Oh, here we go. Oh! Damn, that's cold, bro. That's not even a joke, dog. Uh-oh. Hello, everybody.
Alright guys, we gotta get our strokes together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just be kind.
Motherfucker.
I'm so fucking hard in the front. I don't want to.
Boy, and it's raining. Come on, Colorado.
Small ones that you're like, this isn't much. It's like, oh.
I'm not fucking sick now.
It's raining and it's cold.
Yeah, the rain kind of makes a cool effect, bro.
I thought just like the lightning or something like that.
I'm glad we're going to the hot spring. This will be perfect. Dude, the hot spring is going to be perfect now. Oh, yeah.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
You totally missed it. No, I did. I'm like, I was gonna go in another one.
Dude, it's coming down hard.
Bro, for real. I feel like I'm in Florida.
I mean, I looked at this.
Yeah, without these wetsuits, you couldn't do this.
You know, Sean's helmet? Forward what?
Alright. Oh! Yeah, baby, Mother Nature at its finest.
Oh shit. Are you recording?
Hell yeah, I am! Motherfucking homeless nature. Ah!
Did they give up?
No, they're over. They're fucking homeless people.
They're actually getting off the river here. They started up high.
I was pretty high when we started too, not so much anymore, bud.
Backwards one, not that guy.
I'll stop it, bro.
Yeah, it's okay. I just can't shut up. Dude, it's okay. I was like that riding with Shelby earlier. I was like, this is like, oh, this is not. It's pretty true. Right. But I like talking to these people. Right? Backwards one. Hey. Forward one.
Uh-oh.
Take it backwards one.
Woo! Whoa! I feel like I'm on a motherfucking roller coaster. I'm ready for the hot spring. 38-degree water, bro. And it's snowing on us. Backwards one? Dude, I can do this.
It's fucking cool. You have them flipped over like immediately.
Immediately. Dude, they've been slipping on the rocks right off the rip. Dude, the hot spring's gonna be so nice after this. right, here we go, bro. Uh-oh. I don't like the looks of this either. Oh, they flipped the boat and I got it on camera. Ha ha. World star. All right. Yeah, watch out right here, right here. High side, baby.
Forward, guys. Forward one. No.
Forward one.
Forward one.
Forward one. Sorry, guys.
Forward one. Forward one. To shore. Right to shore, guys.
Ah!
Well, he's on his own at this point, guys.
Yep. All right. Ah! Woo! Uh-oh. We got a guide?
Hey, forward one, guys.
Forward one.
Forward one.
Forward one. Come on, we ain't flipping, boy.
Hey, you're gonna go down there to them, all right? All right, forward one, guys. My bad.
You're good.
Right in the face.
Back one.
Back one.
Get down here to me. If you can, or switch to the short grass. You got a bump.
You're not to grab on.
Dude, this is treacherous, bro.
Back one, guys.
Back one.
Back one.
We're gonna turn. Uh-oh. Fucking
Guys, right side, forward one. Right side, forward one.
forward one, motherfucker.
Right side forward.
Oh, there we go. Turn around. Turn around. Turn, paddle, paddle, paddle. So we go that. Okay. We ain't flipping, dog. Look at homeboy. We on a rescue mission. We ain't flipping. We ain't flipping. It's too cold for this fucking shit. Stay in the middle. I'm balancing us, B. Look at this, it's gorgeous. Other than we're gonna die, maybe.
All right, guys. This turned into a shitty situation.
Why? We made it.
Yeah, we made it, but we gotta make sure everyone else is safe. So I really need you guys to listen to me.
We got you, boss. What are we doing?
All right. Can I get a back left one?
Back left. There we go.
Back left one. All right, well, forward one. Forward one.
We ain't flipping
Good
this
job,
thing.
guys.
We ain't
That's cool.
flipping.
Hey, we're good.
We ain't flipping, dog.
Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Woo! Fuck yeah! Whitewater rafting. How's our survivor?
Okay.
She survived.
Don't fall out, don't fall
All
out.
right, forward one, guys.
Forward one.
Hey, you got grab the paddle? Yeah. All right, we're gonna do the spin move.
All right. Whoa, bitch. That was almost a throw me out of the boat move, motherfucker. Am I recording? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, what the fuck? Hell no.
All right, that's good.
Oh, wow.
That was,
Bring one more pedal back.
yeah, give her a paddle.
All right, we're gonna, oh no, we're just slowing down.
Am I recording? Because that was intense, bro. Survivor in the house.
Oh, I know. Like,
Fucking new rock guy in the house.
wow.
All right, guys, are we on?
Yeah.
Holding on to a rock and her at the
Let's,
same time.
let's do this. Colorado, woo woo.
All right, so this next practice, we're gonna go under, right under that bridge.
Nice.
It's called Mountain Lion. Another class 3 rapid and it's badass.
Hell yeah, boy.
I just need you guys together, on point with your strokes. Whenever I call forward 1, that doesn't mean you do a little dad stroke and do forward 2. Alright? Oh, you want, Josh.
Zero to 100 real quick, baby.
Oh,
Woohoo! Yeah, motherfuckers! That water, though.
Alright, guys. Let me get forward 1.
We made it! Look at this beautiful view.
cold as fuck.
Hey, y'all digging this?
Forward 1.
I could just go bad, so I'd like panic with you.
Forward 1.
Well, first thing you do is make sure it's not missing. When I was over there, Jeff was like, I want to go bathroom. And everybody's like, yeah. I was like, what? You can take your phone, Jeff. What happened? Don't do that. He's like, it's hard phone. It up, bro. You went straight back. Listen, I'll tell you what happened as soon as you get out of here. Alright, forward 1. I'll tell you the whole thing. Forward 1. Forward 1. Forward 1. Once you get this on, I don't want to yell,
Oh, I'm so glad y'all are in the front.
Forward.
Here we go, boys.
Forward.
Woo! Damn, that's cold. Look how beautiful this is.
It's like you wave, like, the last second, like, elbow. I was one stroke, that was Jake stroking. We just had to be like, real hard.
Too much to balance, yeah.
And I feel like you just like cramp when you're trying to do it. You're not underneath with the other people.
Yeah, it gets a little bit tricky.
Yeah.
Now we're hauling ass.
Hey, that feeling of the water hitting your
Forward
face,
1.
I'm feeling surprised. That's how you feel.
Forward 1.
Uh-oh, here it goes, boys and girls.
Forward 1.
Uh-oh, here it goes again.
Forward 1.
Bitch! Oh, not fun, brother. Look at these rocks, though. Woohoo!
Forward 1.
Uh-oh.
Forward 1.
Fish! It's fucking cold, bud. That's not even a joke. It's fucking 38-degree water, bud. Look.
Are y'all four all together?
Yeah.
Y'all were y'all behind us when you saw us flip?
Yeah, I got it on video, bro.
Well, that's pretty fucking cool to have on GoPro.
Yeah, he was.
Dead ass. The survivor. Don't go whitewater rafting with this guy. You'll flip.
No, I wasn't his fault.
Hey, y'all find a waiver, that's all. Y'all know what you're getting into. Well, maybe you did. It's still just that whole.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, that was us.
No, I told them.
We would've been dead.
They're rapping, they're like, I don't want to fucking do that. I'm like, yeah, you do. I was like, I do. I'm like, yo, this pussy, fucking just go.
Listen, whitewater rafting is still peaceful and fun. It's good. Until the fucking water touches your pinky toe.
Oh no! Oh, dude, I'm the first one. It's okay. It's down to happen. Listen.
Am I rolling?
It's just crazy how the storm, like, as soon as it got to its first point, that's when shit.
Yeah. It's like the worst moment that when shit happens, it happens.
And then it got real clear. That's Colorado weather.
Florida.
Y'all from Florida?
They're cousins.
Nice.
Yeah, only like an hour from us. That's
It's so nice. Look at this rocks. I love it.
an hour and a half.
Uh-oh.
That's so pretty though, right?
We're gonna hit the same fucking thing. That water is cold, dude. That's no joke. Dude, it is gorgeous though.
Like this, the girl that I pulled out, she got in front of my boat going down the water, and I was like, you got to swim to the left of me. She's like, I can't. I'm like, all right, well, I'm just ripping you up. Sure. Forward one.
Yeah, this is so cool. I love like.
Me too.
Well, I just saw that kind of job so much.
You never know when you're gonna wake up one morning and go swimming.
Yeah.
It's all peaceful.
That was the last thing I would have
got a
talked
bunch
about
of-
this morning on the ride here.
I got a bunch of Texans in my boat this morning. We're having a grand old time. They're really nice to me.
I get a forward one.
And then,
Everybody's overboard.
you like being cold?
When all that shit was happening, dude, I was like beyond cold. I was just thinking like, let's save some motherfuckers.
Yeah, Jeff just hopped right onto our boat, didn't he?
Yeah, that motherfucker. He was like, all right, I'll see you later. And I was like, where are you going? He was like, boop.
He's like, you're on your own. It's adventure time. Yeah, that's what he said. He was like, you're on your own. You're on your own. It's adventure time.
I'll pass you.
You're like, I fucking saved somebody out of the water.
Yeah, I think out of you're doing all right.
Right here is 5 bridges. This is another class 3 rapid. Can anyone guess why it's called 5 bridges?
Because there's 5 bridges.
You're a fucking genius.
Class 3 rapids. Class 3. Come on, baby.
Y'all on vacation up here?
Them class 3 rapids, boy. Whoa.
Pikes Peak.
Yeah, Pikes Peak. It's a 14er. You can see it from Denver, actually.
How far away is it?
It's right there by Garden of the Gods.
Okay, so we're gonna be right there.
Right
anyway.
there. You're at the base of the mountain over here.
Okay, so might as well do it.
So there's gonna be snow there?
Maybe.
I want to see snow, man.
I mean, we got a 4-wheel drive Jeep rental car. So
If you want to see snow, go up to the Loveland Pass, which is right here. It's maybe like 30 minutes from our outpost to get to the top of it.
That's
but-
perfect. That's what we're talking about. Woo!
So during the wintertime, whenever I'm snowboarding and whatnot out here, we go out to the nest on full moon, and it's nothing but snow there, so it's just white, and then you have a full moon just shining down on
Damn, I was cold.
and it looks like clear as day.
What's it called?
Loveland Pass.
Loveland Pass.
Yep.
We'll definitely go check it out then after we get out of here.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah, I want to go see snow, bro. Snow in July. Or June. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Forward one. Bitch.
So those rapids right there were highway for speed limit 55. Yeah. There's a sign right there to tell you. -41. Coming up around the corner is our last class 3 rapid, Mr. Twister.
Mr. Twisty.
Hey, we still got a bunch of time.
Hey.
Dude, it's been a week since I've been on the boat. Oh yeah, by the way guys, it's been a week since I've done this. So.
We're good. YOLO. Yeah, but we're gonna do that
Pikes Peak and Loveland Pass.
And what was the other one? The Spring Cave or
I get a 4-1.
oh no.
One more. Can I get a 4-1? Pretty much through this little town, Idaho Springs, all the way up to They're hanging
I'm sure. We haven't.
All
done that.
right,
The
look
last
at this
one we
beautiful
did-
little. All right, bumper boats. Woo! Look at this view though.
I think there was only like one of those the whole time.
Forward one. Forward one.